G'day guys, this is 30. Now I'm going to show you exactly what's going on with my power supply setup. I've got two Dick Smith 25 amp power supplies here, which are hooked up in parallel, as you can see by the dodgy wiring I've got here. The cables that I usually use are still packed away in storage from when we moved. The bottom cables down here, these guys, they go to my IC706, and these ones here, these two, they actually go to my UHF radio, which UHF radio is there, and there's the old girl up the top there. So what I usually do, I always make sure I've got a radio which draws roughly like 5 or 10 amps or so, which is well under the rated value of at least one of the power supplies, just so I can tune these guys, because I don't actually tune for voltage, I tune for current draw. So I'll just show you what I do. I'll grab the UHF microphone. Okay, dropping a carrier. You see both amp meters swing a little bit there. Do apologise for the shaky videomanship here. As you can see there, see how they both swing side to side. Just moving the voltage adjustment up the top here. The bottom one I've removed the knob, just to make things a bit easier. So what I usually do, get them roughly about even, and then I fire up my UHF amp. But I'll just show you, when one of the power supplies, just say the top one is under, like there's a bit of a mismatch going on here, and the top one is under volts, so to speak, like so, you'll see how it drops to 0, and the bottom one compensates for the top one. There you go. So I've just dekeyed the radio then. And anyway, and vice versa when it's the other way around, obviously. So when it's over voltage, the top one will compensate for the bottom one. So I'll just try and tune these in again. It's a little hard because I'm actually looking through the screen on the camera here. Wait. Okay, well that's roughly about in anyway. Somewhere about there. 5 amps each. Okay, now just to show you, I've got my 706 on a 10 meter frequency there on FM. I'll just do a 100 watt carrier just to show you roughly how balanced it is. Sorry, I just lost the microphone. Here we go. Okay, there we go. This is VK2DXN testing. Okay, there you go. Roughly drawing, what's that guy, about 9 amps or so, and that's about 8. So there you go. Minor mismatch, is not really so much of a big deal, as I've shown there, but that's my method of how I tune these two bad boys when I'm using my UHF amplifier. So that's my demonstration. Anyway, hooroo all. My name's Paul, WR30. Hooroo.